I think it was an amazing experience, especially the nature. It's one of the best experiences that I have made till now in Kyrgyzstan. I have seen a lot of places, I've traveled a lot, but it was first time completely in the wild nature. We came from Osh with a jeep. Just the ride was amazing. Then staying here in the yurt, it was just so nice. Spending the 2 nights here, the food, the hospitality is amazing. The people are so friendly. I had a feeling that I was very welcome. Then we went the whole day on the Russian jeep, an old jeep in the mountains, and it was really beautiful. I felt like more beautiful than Switzerland. Then we had the chance to ride the horses and talk to the people in the village and how the people live here. It's really amazing. It's a lifetime experience. I would really recommend people to come here and to see the nature.